Hi, this is Naveen Kumar. There are a lot of people who says, I'm listening to number of motivational audios, I'm watching number of motivational videos, reading a number of motivational books, and even attending training programs. But it doesn't create any change in my life. Even after attending all this motivational stuff, I couldn't make a change in my life. If this is your issue, you will get a solution by watching this YouTube video. We are going to tell 5 stages through which you have to go to make benefit out of such motivational stuff. Before going to the topic, I welcome you all to our YouTube channel, Naveen Inspires. If you are having interest to watch self-development videos, kindly subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video, and to get notifications of new video, enable the bell icon near to the subscribe icon. If you like this video, put a like, comment your comments below the video and share with those who may get benefit out of this video. What are the 5 stages or what are the 5 processes through which we have to go to make benefit out of a motivational stuff? Basically, when we are attending a motivational training or when we are watching a motivational video, what we get is called data. Actually, we are getting a lot of data by watching, listening, reading and attending a motivational training. But this data can't change your life. It's a resource to change your life. How we can do that? Basically, when you are getting a data, after 24 hours, you will lose 95% of what you got. And after 7 days, you will lose the rest 5% of data. That means on the 8th day, there is no change in your life. So what we have to do? We have to go from the data stage to the next stage. What is the next stage? You have to make that data to your information. How you can make that? So it's very important. The second stage is called converting data into information. How you can change this data to information? For that, what all thing you heard or what all thing you undergone, write that on your book. Write it down. Write everything what you got from the training program or from the video, write it down. When you write all those stuff, that will become your information. If you're not interested to write, then you can type the same in your laptop and keep with you. So make that data to information is stage number 2. Even after converting the data to information, that will not make a change in your life. For that, you have to go to the third stage and it's called making program. When you heard a lot of things, when you made those to information, now it's a time for you to apply that in your life. If you are undergoing a training session or watching a training on public speaking skills, you have to test each and every information you got from that particular training. When you're getting an opportunity to speak in front of a crowd, apply those information. When you're applying the information on the first time, you will fail. That's definite. But after the failure, come back to the information, read it again, understand where was my error, clear it, and go to the next stage or go to the next opportunity. Like that, till you make a small success. Revisit this information and try again and again. This will automatically convert the data to information and information to program, and from that program it will reach your wisdom. So that is stage number 4, making the data to wisdom. At this stage, you will make the entire data to your wisdom. Now you are able to apply each and everything from the video. Now you are able to apply in your practical life where to apply it, where not to apply. You are clear about that. And you are even able to train someone on the same. So this is very important stage, making those data to your wisdom, your competency, your capability, your capacity. You made it. How you made it? By converting the data to information. From the information, you check that in your practical life by making a program, and on practice, it became your wisdom. Now the 5th stage, that's called transformation. When you does all these things, you will get transformed in your life. Now that particular video is practically applied in your life and you are able to do that always. You are having a tremendous potential to get all the benefits from that video, all the benefits from that training, and all the benefits from the book you read. You got transformed. So these are the 5 stages. So when you are watching a motivational video or when you are undergoing a training program or reading a book, definitely go through all these stages. Number 1, make that data to information. After making information, you have to apply that by making a program. And after applying that again and again, you will reach such a position where you are able to make success out of that. And then you reach the stage of wisdom. And using that wisdom, you will get transformed. So now onwards, we can get all the benefits of the motivational videos, all the benefits of the motivational training programs, and all the benefits of the book you read. So now onwards, we can get all the benefits from all this stuff and make a great success in our life. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our channel by clicking subscribe button below the video and enable bell icon near to it for getting updates. Thank you once again for watching this video. Wishing you all the very best. NK signing off.